Encountering the Kernel Data Inpage Error on Windows 11? Stay tuned for effective solutions. Press the search icon from the taskbar, type CMD, and click on Run as administrator to start command prompt with full privileges. Type or paste the following command and press Enter to run it. C is the default drive for the system, but you can replace it with the drive letter of your corresponding system partition. CHKDSK/R/FC. CHKDSK will attempt to fix any problems found on your drives. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Click the search icon on the taskbar, type Windows Security, and click on the app from the results. Now click on Virus and AMP, Threat Protection. Select Scan Options right under the Quick Scan button. Select Scan Options right under the Quick Scan button. Check the Microsoft Defender offline scan and hit the Scan Now button. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Click the search icon, type Device Manager, and select the app from the results. Right-click the driver from the disk Drive section and select Properties. Select the Driver tab, then click on the Update Driver button. Choose the first option and search automatically for drivers. If the system finds any new drivers, it will install them. If not, you can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You will be redirected to the Windows Update menu, so hit the Check for Updates button. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. Select the search icon from the taskbar, type Device Manager, and select the app from the results. Expand the Disk Drives section, right-click the driver, and select Properties. Select the Driver tab, and then select Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall to confirm your choice. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 methods to get it working smoothly. Let's dive into the methods. Click the search button from the taskbar, type CMD, and select Run as administrator to type or paste the following command and press Enter to run it. Thanks for watching. Hope you hit like and subscribe.